Okay, let's discuss one more question of this exercise 23b. Suppose this is given 4 cos square x degree minus 1 is equals to 0. So how do we solve? First, we will take this one there. Then this 4 will come here. So when 4 will come here, it becomes cos square x degree is equals to 1 by 4. And you already knew whenever you remove the square root, it becomes a square root, that is 1 by 2. Now, when is cos 1 by 2? When is cos 1 by 2? When it is 60 degree. So that means x degree is equals to 60 degree. Okay, so this is our first part. Then in second part, value of sine square x degree plus cos square x degree is asked. So what we will do, we will put the value sine square 60 degree plus cos square 60 degree. So what is sine 60? Root 3 by 2 square. Sine 60 and cos 60 is 1 by 2 square. Then next, what is root 3 by 2 whole square? 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 3 plus 1 upon 4, 4 by 4, answer will be 1. Next part is, we have to find the value of this. So what is, we can write it like this, 1 upon cos, that is sec square x degree minus tan square x degree. Then put the value of x 60 degree, then 60 degree. So what is sec 60 degree? 2 square minus root 3 square. So 2 minus 3, that is 1. Okay, like this in the questions likes of this, first you will take out the value of x degree again by using the standard value of the trigonometric angles. Then you will put that value into the respective parts in which the value is being asked. Okay, suppose one more question let's discuss. So 2 cos 2a is equals to root 3. Then what we will do next? It will come here, so it becomes cos 2a is equals to root 3 upon 2. And when cos is root 3 upon 2? When it is 30 degree. That means what is 2a? 2a is 30 degree, and what is a? 30 upon 2, that is 15 degree. So this is 15 degree. Okay. Now what is sine 3a? Sine, what was a? A is our 15. So that is sine 45 degree. And you should know the value of sine 45. That is 1 by root 2. Next, we have to find the value of this part. So again we will put the value 75 minus 15 and cos square 45 plus 15. So it is sine square 60 degree plus cos square 60 degree. So see, it becomes similar part that we have done just now. So again root 3 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 square, it will give you 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. That is 3 plus 1 by 4 equals to 1. Okay. So like this in the question slides of this, you will use the concepts of trigonometric equation. You should know the value of standard angles, and then you can put the values and then you can take out the answer. Let's discuss one more type. Suppose it is given as 3 tan a minus 5 cos b is equals to root 3, and b is 90 degree. We have to find the value of a. So what you will do, you will first simply put the value of b, that is 90 degree is equals to root 3. And what is cos 90? It is 0. So it becomes 3 tan A minus 5 into 0 is equals to root 3, or we can write 3 tan A is equals to root 3. That means tan A is equals to root 3 by 3. So there is no such value present in the trigonometric table, but what we can do, we can solve it like this also. Tan A, this time we will rationalize the numerator. So you will get 3 upon 3 root 3. 3 and 3 cancel, 1 by root 3. And when tan is equals to 1 by root 3, when A is equals to 30 degree. Okay. So like this, you can put the values and you can get the answer of the questions like of this. Okay, let's discuss one more type. In this, a figure is given and we have to find the values using this figure. Now, we will not use the Pythagoras theorem first up. First, we will use the value of standard trigonometric angles. So, first is cos x degree. So, what we know, cos is b upon h. Now, for this x, base will be BC and hypotenuse will be AB. So BC is 10, AB is 20, you will get 1 by 2. So this is your cos x equals to 1 by 2. Then for this x degree, again we will use this value. And when cos is 1 by 2, when it is equals to 60 degree, that means x degree is equals to 60 degree. Easy. Now with the help of this x only, we will find the value of this expression. So 1 upon 10 square x, I will write like this. Cot square x minus cosec square x degree. Okay. Reciprocal relations. 1 upon 10x equals to cot x and 1 upon sin x equal to cosec x. Now we will put the value. Cot square 60 degree minus cosec square 60 degree. So what was cos square is 1 by root 3 and it was 2 by root 3. So when you solve, you will get 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3 or 1 minus 4 by 3 minus 3 by 3, or answer will be minus 1. Okay. So this will be your answer, minus 1. Okay, so these type of questions you can solve like this. Now what we have to do in the fourth part, we have to use this tan x degree to find the value of A. So for tan x degree, we will write the value of this tan in terms of sides of the triangle. So what are the sides of the triangle? Perpendicular, that is AC upon BC. So what was x? X was 60 degree. AC we want to know and BC is 10. So root 3 is equals to y upon 10. That means what is our y? Y will be tan root 3 centimeter. Okay. Or if you want to find the value, then you can use root 3 is equals to 1.732. So you will get a value like this, 17.32 centimeter. Okay. So both the answers are correct. You can write any of these two answers. So this is how you can solve the questions like so figures by using the standard value of trigonometric angles. Okay, let's discuss the questions like so this. Now in this we have to find the value of A. So see, if you take these two as pair and in these two cos A is common, so I will take cos A as common. So what you will get in the bracket? 2 sin A minus 1. And in this I will take minus 1 as common. So you will get 2 sin A minus 1 is equals to 0. factorization that we have done in the previous class. So now this term is common. So I will take this term as out, 2 sin A minus 1, and it is cos A minus 1 is equals to 0. So finally this is reduced into the same type of equation that we have solved previously. So I will take 2 sin A minus 1 is equals to 0 and cos A minus 1 is equals to 0. So it is 2 sin A is equals to 1, sin A equals to 1 by 2, and when sin is 1 by 2, when it is equals to 30 degree, that means A is equals to 30 degree. This is my one value. Then for this, cos A is equals to 1, and when cos is 1, when it is 0 degree, from here you will get A is equals to 0 degree. So our answer will be A is equals to 0 degree and 30 degree. Okay, so these two will be the values. Now suppose something is like this, 2 cos square A minus 3 cos A plus 1 is equals to 0. In this we cannot take anything as common, but if you observe carefully, if I write let cos A is equals to x, so it reduced into a quadratic equation that we have solved in the previous class. Now we will split the middle term. Our product will be how much? 2 into 1, that is 2, and sum is minus 3. So I will split it like this, 2x square minus 2 plus 1 into x plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, so from here what I will do, so this is one group, I will take 2x as common, so it becomes x minus 1, and in this minus 1 common, x minus 1 is equals to 0. 2x minus 1 is equals to 0, and okay, finally you will get this expression. Now we will individually put the values equals to 0 like this. So from here you will get x equals to 1 by 2, and from here you will get x equals to 1. Now we will put value of x, that is cos A is equals to 1 by 2, and when it is 1 by 2, when it is 60 degree, that means A is equals to 60 degree. And here cos A is equals to 1, and when it is 1, when it is 0 degrees, that means A is equals to 0 degrees. So what is the value of A? 0 degree and 60 degree. Okay, like this you can solve the equations by using the concepts of factorization. First you take the things as common which are common, then you will get the equations in this form that you already have solved in the previous question. Okay, so this is it. Next questions we will discuss in the, from question number 12 onwards we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.